1, 2, 3, 4.
Stop. I see a cat. Stop. And it's kind of fast. Stop. And it just won't budge. Stop. When you are driving and you see an obstacle, a lot of times I won't even try to move a muscle. So when this happens, you must get off your high horse. Be the bigger person and just find a different course. Choose a brake and push that pedal down, just in case that pesky critter stands its ground. Straddling would be the next best bet, but just please, please don't fret. And we wear our seatbelts every time we go out. It's such a simple thing to do, so why on earth wouldn't you? When you pair it with caution and stopping when you have to, baby, your drive will be just as smooth as you. Something's on your rear view mirror, something's hanging down so obviously. Something's on your rear view mirror, blocking all that you can see. So take that tacky pair of dice down, take down your beads and your tassels. Take that pair of dice down, unobstructed views are best.